My bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all a mess is what I got. Another drawing video. That's why I don't wear these ears very often. Another drawing video. Today I'm going to be drawing my cryptid cat, my cryptid Egyptian goddess cat, Bassie, which is named after the Egyptian goddess Bastet, which is the daughter of Ra, I believe was the mother's name, which Ra was the Egyptian goddess of the sun and stuff like that. Either way, if you want to know more about the Egyptian lore, look it up yourself. I'm getting lazy here. But this is the drawing video of me drawing this cat. Excuse me, my allergies are killing me. This is not a full-fledged tutorial because I just don't have the time to process a full-fledged tutorial of these drawing videos, because right now, drawing one thing like that takes me like a week. So I'm not gifted, I'm not super inclined in digital art, nor gifted in it, nor well versed in it, because I haven't been doing it that long. So yeah, this is going to be a partial drawing video of me drawing Bassie. It won't be the full-fledged thing, but I hope you enjoy it. It will also include part 2 of Skins, which you could see in the title and the thumbnail. The story, original horror short scary story written by my sister, and I hope you all enjoy that. I hope it's not too scary for y'all, but I wanted to do something with a little more entertainment value so you actually enjoy watching the videos, because I know that me personally, I like when the videos, like when I watch art tutorials or speed paints and stuff like that, I like it when there's like music or what else, like talking about their day-to-day lives or just something, or like a scary story, something to just get the blood going, something to pay attention to, you know what I mean? I think it's a really cool concept. I don't know if everybody else likes it, but let me know if you like it. Leave a comment, leave a like, tell me. Do you want more videos like this? Do you want me to cut them out entirely? Do you want music? Do you want me to just talk about the random stuff in my day? There's not much going on right now. I did get the consultation for my teeth extraction, which was today, September 6th, and the extractions will be October 18th. So because of that week I probably will not have a YouTube video to upload, unless I have something made ahead of time, which I'm not great at preparing in advance, so probably not. Also, next week's video will be another monthly artist feature. I am 2 months behind, so it will be July and August together. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video right here, and I've been talking way too long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in next week's video, which will be a monthly artist feature. Enjoy me drawing this cute little kitty, and the stuff for this will be available very soon in my Etsy shop. Keep an eye out on my Twitter and my Instagram page so you can stay up to date on that stuff. Also TikTok if you just like the entertainment value. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye, my bunnies.
My Aunt Victoria towers above me, dark dress bellowing out among the shadows. The diary is in her left hand, but what made my blood turn to ice is the long, sharp scythe inside of her right hand. I try to scream, but something's wrong. I can't seem to do more than move my eyes. Naughty girl. Reading someone else's private musings is quite unforgivable in my eyes, but I suppose it's a fair trade, says Aunt Victoria. She lays the journal down and continues to speak. Witchcraft is a wonderful thing, darling. Let me bend almost the whole world at my will. Paralyzing someone is surprisingly easy along with a number of other things. Magic, however, has its limits, or rather, it requires a certain amount of skill and determination and sacrifice. She reaches over and rolls me onto my back. I stare blindly at the ceiling as I feel her drag the covers from my body. She stands there inspecting me. Magic can keep me young and beautiful, but it requires the right tools. It's kind of like getting a custom coat made. You have to provide your own fabric if it's something rare, and skin, my dear, is the rare as it gets. She runs her fingers up my leg, and I wish I could shiver, but my body might as well be encased in ice. I can hear my aunt giggle, and the sound of metal being dug across wood. The tip of her blade meets my throat, and she holds it there. I got bored with the prostitutes around town. They weren't as pretty as our family, you see. Good genes. Problem is, after Cousin Sarah went missing and my brother blabbed about everything, I tried to share with him, the family cut me off. Thankfully, my brother's son is as dumb as him, and I was able to lure you all here, like the lamb to the slaughter, just by a handwritten note signed by a lawyer, she gloats. I won't lie, darling, this is a painful process, but since you're family, I can bleed you out before I skin you alive. It will be just as painful, but not quite as much. Just nod your head if you would like that. Oh, wait, you can't. Aunt Victoria cackles. My eyes scurry to the left and then to the right repeatedly, searching for a way out of this. Aunt Victoria notices and laughs once more. Her laugh is thick and loud, almost to the point of sounding forced, and for a second I pray she won't go through with this. But then the scythe presses down a bit more on my neck. Luckily for you, I need this done before anybody wakes up, she says and drags the scythe across me hard. Warmth trickles over my neck and down behind my hair as my body temperature begins to heat up and I begin to feel heavy. Tears drip from my eyes and I try hopelessly to call for help. Victoria then wipes away my tears. Don't worry, darling. It'll all be over soon, and then I'll give that pretty little skin of yours the life it deserves. I'll think of you fondly as I wear it, and when it begins to wrinkle with time, I'll bury it with the rest of you. By then little Camilla should be ripe for the harvest, Aunt Victoria hisses. My world then fades to black. The end.